Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Windows Fixer, the place where we fix all the weird little Windows issues nobody talks about, but everybody runs into. If your snipping tool doesn't show the screen recording option, even though you swear it was supposed to be there, yeah, I got you. So here's the deal. Windows 11 actually does come with a built-in screen recording feature inside Snipping Tool. It's been around since version 22H2, and it lets you record just a portion of your screen. Super useful for tutorials, quick captures, or if you just want to send someone a clip without downloading extra apps. But for some reason, a bunch of users open it up and no record button. Gone. Missing. Like it never existed. So what's going on? Let's walk through it. No stress. First thing you want to do is check your Windows version. If you're still running something older than 22H2, the record button won't show up, period. So here's what you do. Hop into settings, head over to Windows Update, and click check for updates. If something shows up, hit download and install all. And once it's done, give your PC a quick restart. After that, open Snipping Tool again. If everything's good, you should now see that little record icon chilling right next to the new button. That's when you know you're good to go. But hey, let's say you're already on 22H2 or newer and it's still not showing up. That's probably the snipping tool itself acting weird, either outdated or just glitched. Quick fix for that, search for snipping tool in a start menu, right click it, and uninstall. Then open up the Microsoft Store, search snipping tool, and hit get to reinstall it fresh. No settings lost, just resets the app so it's up to date and clean. Now relaunch it, and with any luck, boom, the screen recording feature is back. Still no luck after that. Yeah, that's rare, but it can happen. Could be something off with your system settings, maybe a bug. But since this feature is rolled out worldwide now, it's not about region restrictions anymore. If you're still stuck, drop a comment below. Let me know what version you're on and what you tried. I check comments regularly, and I'll try to help you out directly. No copy-paste answers here. Anyway, that's it for this one. If this fix helped, smash that like button or just sub if you vibe with the kind of clean, no fluff fixes we do here. This is Windows Fixer, and I'm always digging into hidden features, performance boosts, and ways to make Windows less annoying. All right, catch you in the next one. Peace.